Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review video, and the product that I'm going to review today is from Art Philosophy Watercolor Confection of Tropical Set. So this is from Primer Marketing, and also it is made in Korea. They include 12 colors. In this video, I'm going to swatch all these beautiful 12 colors, and at the end, I'm going to show you the paintings that I've made out of these beautiful tropical set. Are you excited? If yes, let's go. So first, let's just unbox it. So this comes with this beautiful package. And all the sets from Art Philosophy has this beautiful black classy tin, and they are very handy. You can see it is of palm size and they are very handy. Also, they have this beautiful logo at the back side of the tin. Also, they have this finger ring holder, which is very comfortable to hold and paint. You see, it is very handy. Don't slip off if you hold it that way. So it's very nice, and it's also travel friendly. So they have this two mixing palette. You can see the sides, and they also have four bells, which is very beautiful. So they have swatch card along with it. That's another beautiful thing. So they also mention these colors and also the numbers of each of these colors, so it won't get mixed up. Because all the colors which is dark shade might look similar to each other, so the numbers might help us. Now let's see the closer view of these watercolor pans. Just look at these. These are very cute and very small and tiny. When I was opening the tin, I didn't even feel like unboxing the whole paints. We need to paint, so we just have to open it. So let's do it one by one. So the other best thing about art philosophy watercolor pans or all these watercolor shades comes with this unique name. So the first one that I have opened is Island, and this one is Coconut, and we have Hurricane. So this all these colors symbolizes one of the other name of tropical island. So you can see obviously it's hurricane, parrot, hibiscus, palm. So each and one another symbolizes how the things are there in the tropical land. So this is very unique about them. Also the first row has been unboxed, and next we will move on to the next one. So this is pitaya. So pitaya are commonly available fruits in tropical land. So that's amazing. We have reefs that's found in ocean, pineapple, the best tropical fruit. We have awesome sunset in tropical land which match my top. Also we have beautiful oceans in a tropical land. Finally, we have this shade called Tiki. Tiki are nothing but the wooden carvings that are found in tropical land. Isn't it amazing? All these pretty shades and colors with the unique names. So now let's get into the swatches. Before that, you can also note the number of each of these colors at the side. So this will be very helpful if the color gets mixed, because you can see these darker shades of blue and green are similar to each other. So to avoid confusion, you can go with the numbers. Now let's do the swatches. All these colors look so pigmented, so they are on the paper too. These are very pigmented on the paper also. I just took a little amount of paint in my brush, but it's so vibrant when it falls on the paper. These shades are also unique as their name. Even coconut, I thought it'd be of some different color. It's of similar to yellow ochre with a different shade. Even parrot is a very unique shade. You can paint northern lights with this parrot. With hibiscus you can paint beautiful sunset. Obviously we have the unique sunset pan watercolor pan in our tropical set, but even hibiscus and pitaya could make an awesome sunset palette. And the swatches are done. Now let's see the advantage of having art philosophy watercolor sets. So this is very handy. I mean, you can just put it in your sling bag and you're ready to go. You can just take it along with you because they are very travel friendly. Also, the one thing that you should know before getting these watercolor sets or these watercolor pans are very small, which is of lesser than 2 centimeter. I was very disappointed because in camera it looks so big, but in reality these are so tiny. So I just want to let you know before you put your money on something you want to get. But they are very pigmented, guys. They are very pigmented. They don't stain your fingers. When you use certain brands, you can find yourself getting stained your fingers or clothes, even though it is watercolor. But as far as I've used watercolor sets from Art Philosophy, they don't stain your fingers. So it's another plus point. Finally, we are at the end, and right now I'm going to show all the paintings that I did with Art Philosophy's watercolors. These are very expensive as far as Indian money, but I still wanted to put it out because if you want to be a little more professional, if you want to give it to someone, if you want to put your paintings into purchase, obviously you should go with some branded colors. So I guess Art Philosophy brands are very amazing for artists, and you can see all these paintings which I've done with these watercolors. I hope you can see the wood and also the guitar. It was painted with tiki. The shades may vary, but it is of the same thing. I did a little bit of color mixing along with green to get a darker version of the brown. You can see this cupcakes, which was also painted with the shade called tiki. The plate was painted with the shade called ocean. Also, I've used few other shades like parrot, sunset and hibiscus to paint those cherries. Also, I really hope you enjoyed this video about this review product of Art Philosophy Tropical Set. Also in the comment section, do let me know which was your favorite shade. My favorite shade was parrot and also sunset, ocean. No, I guess coconut. I mean everything. I love all these shades from tropical. As far as I've used, tropicals get 10 out of 10. Do hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Do subscribe and press the notification bell. Happy painting. God bless you. Bye.